Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Stefan Rowan, Vice President, Patent Granting Process, EPO. Mr. Rowan, floor is yours.
Dear Commissioner Mori, and hello to everyone, and our warmest thanks to the Japan Patent Office for organising today's event at a time when mitigating climate change is rightfully a top priority on the global agenda. And right from the outset, and on behalf of our President, I would also like to very much echo the initial comments of Commissioner Mori. Our position is also very clear on sustainability, that we can only achieve a sustainable world if we have a peaceful world. There is already a well-known correlation between conflict and environmental degradation, and all efforts must be made to achieve a world without violence, primarily for the welfare of our fellow people, as we've seen in Ukraine, but also because we've reached a turning point in history when it comes to the health of our planet. On top of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, which has claimed millions of lives globally, the health of our planet is also under threat. The climate change crisis is leading to a rise in the average global temperatures, extreme weather events, ocean acidification and coral bleaching. And all of these phenomena are confronting us with unparalleled challenges. As Commissioner Mori said, going carbon neutral is no longer a nice to have. It's paramount to the future of our planet and for the generations to come. We have to change radically how we look at these challenges, and innovation is indisputably a vital part of that answer. Technological advances are emerging everywhere to help us to find a way forward, from vaccines developed based on messenger RNA to carbon dioxide-based polymers that make plastic more sustainable, and flexible solar cells that allow portable devices to self-charge. In terms of sustainability, the good news is that global patenting in low carbon energy has been on the rise in recent years, whilst patents for fossil fuels technology have declined sharply. Europe is one of the global leaders when it comes to investing in green innovation and clean technologies like offshore wind, but more efforts will be required. A study we conducted last year with the International Energy Agency on batteries and electrical storage shows that much faster progress in hydrogen, smart grid, carbon capture, and energy storage technologies is still needed. And crucially, we have to support the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals, adopted back in 2015, and which offer a global framework for promoting prosperity while protecting the planet. So how can we help innovators to find solutions that address the UN goals, especially in fields that are crucial to sustainability, like global health and decarbonizing the economy? We see high quality patents as clearly part of that solution, because by ring-fencing innovation to the right degree, this legally robust IP can help innovators to turn groundbreaking ideas into added value and real-world solutions. In Europe, we know that innovation is largely driven by small and medium-sized companies, SMEs. So reaching out to those SMEs is essential. That's why our recent efforts have focused on revamping our network of patent information libraries, known as PatLibs. Some 300 of these are spread across Europe. And here we can provide local access to advice on patent statistics, patent strategies, and guidance on commercialization and technology transfer, and really show how patents can help businesses to upscale, just like Orcan did. Orcan Energy is a German renewable energy company that offers standard components for heat power generators that recycle waste heat by turning it into electricity. Later on, we'll be hearing from Andreas Schuster, Orcan's Chief Technology Officer and co-founder. To combat the high risk of its standard components being copied, Orcan filed 8 early patents. Ownership of these patents was crucial to help it attract funding. Going forward, we need to help more companies, and especially SMEs, to leverage the power of IP rights and repeat Orcan's success story. Given the pace of technological developments, we also have to make sure that our patent granting process, the way we organize ourselves, matches the patent landscape. and the increasing number of applications for sustainable technologies that cut across the traditional sectors. And that's exactly why our core business has been reorganized. Our examiner teams have been restructured into technology communities that are aligned with the 14 industrial ecosystems identified by the European Commission and with the achievement of the UN Sustainability Development Goals. It helps us move away from the mindset that we're only granting patents for a given technology, and instead focus on the fact that the whole patent process is contributing to a more sustainable future. At the EPO, we also believe that everyone in the innovation ecosystem can contribute to the conversations on patents and sustainability, especially given the right platform. That's why we're planning to launch a Patent and Innovation Observatory later this year. Its role will be to encourage and support data-driven discussions on trends, on developments in the patent landscape, and to create a deeper understanding of key issues related to the future of innovation and technology, including, of course, sustainability. So to close, I'd like to thank the JPO once again for organizing this inspiring event and assure you of the EPO's fully commitment to using our knowledge within our organization and the wealth of knowledge available in patents to create that safer, smarter, more sustainable world to which we all aspire. Thank you.